In this video, we'll go over supports, and we'll continue to use the Benchy as an example. Go over to where it says Draft in your window with the Benchy open in the Prepare tab, and click on the Settings. Then, if it's not already enabled, click on Show Custom where it says Recommended Print Settings. That way you have a little bit more advanced options. Then scroll on down to where it says Support and click on the Generate Support checkbox. You'll get a few options that'll be enabled for support now. Let's take a look at the first three options: Structure, Placement, and Overhang Angle. Overhang angle basically says that if we were to have a perpendicular angle and a line shooting directly up, if it turns up to 70 degrees from that 90 point, anything 70 degrees and below will receive supports. Anything above that doesn't need it, and it should print just fine. Next, let's cover the point of touching the plate. It says right now, touching build plate and everywhere. You probably have it set to everywhere, so let's take a look at what that actually means when it says everywhere. So let's hide this. Click on Slice. We have it set to normal and supports everywhere. Then we're going to click on Preview. Let's look at this. So we have supports on, I guess this is a little less than a 70-degree angle, everywhere. So this is from the build plate, and there's also supports within the boat itself. Now, if we go back to our settings and we change it from everywhere to touching the build plate, and then we change this and slice it, watch what happens. Notice that there's only supports on the build plate at the bottom. There's no longer supports inside the Benchy itself. Now, for the Benchy, you actually don't need to print any supports, but this is a good reference to understand how supports work. Supports also, when they connect to your printer, are going to be a light attachment so that you can easily break them off and do a little bit of sanding if you need to. Let's jump back to Prepare and take a look at the other option for support. So let's go back to Everywhere and change it to Tree Mode. Let's test that out and slice that. Take a look at the preview and notice it's printing a tree. So it's not printing on the back side as much, but it's printing from one side, and it's coming up and around and printing right in here. Tree supports also are known for printing a little bit less, and they're quite actually easier to tear off of your print after it's printed. Let's jump back one more time and see what it looks like when we just print on the base with a tree. So touching the build plate is the option we're going to select. We're going to come back here and click Slice, Preview, and the tree prints a little bit more, but you'll notice that it still prints everywhere it can touch because the tree support is structured differently. Again, like I stated, for the Benchy, we actually don't need to print any support, so we can actually turn this off for the Benchy and just slice it.